Hello and welcome to SUNY Coby News for the spring 2026 semester. I'm Cassie Van. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by communication students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill. Thank you for joining us. SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech is welcoming their newest class through upcoming Accepted Students Days. The event invited students and their families to campus to get a closer look at college life, and attendees will have the chance to meet future professors, connect with classmates, and learn about academic programs and campus resources. Students can register for an upcoming session online and are encouraged to attend to help prepare for their transition into college this fall. Looking to celebrate the spring season with family or friends? Sacred Heart Parish in Stamford is hosting a community Easter basket build on Saturday, April 4th at 11 a.m. in the Parish Hall. This event invites participants to take part in on-hands activity where they can design and decorate their own Easter baskets. Along with crafting, everyone in attendance can enjoy treats, music, and a festive spring atmosphere. Organizers say the event is a great way for families, neighbors, and community members to connect and celebrate the season together. The event is free to attend, but donations are encouraged to support future programs. Graduation is right around the corner here at SUNY Cobleskill. The commencement ceremony is currently scheduled for Saturday, May 9th. The ceremony marks a major milestone for graduating seniors as they prepare to cross the stage and officially earn their degrees. With just weeks to go, students are encouraged to complete graduation requirements and prepare for the big day. The last day of classes is set for May 8th, just one day before commencement. Attention video nerds. If anyone is interested in some historical video tools, you might want to check out the current display on the second floor of the Van Wagenen Library. You can check out some of the consumer and professional level video gear that dominated the video production landscape not that long ago. There's a DVD camcorder and Kodak 8mm film camera, and even a studio camera from the New York State Lottery production studios. When your parents watched Yolanda and Vega announced the winning lottery numbers, this was one of the cameras being used. There are also several books on display covering more modern video content creation strategies. The display will most likely run through the end of the semester, and library staff say that a similar display centered around audio gear could be in the works for the fall. When you're done reviewing the legacy video gear on display, feel free to make a walk down the hall to room 215. That's this studio. Take a look behind the scenes at shows like SUNY Coby News and other student-powered productions here in the communication programs at SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production facilities here on SUNY Cobleskill campus. Stay with us.
There are 16 million children struggling with hunger in America. That's 1 in 5 daughters, sons, neighbors, and classmates who don't know where their next meal is coming from. Yet billions of pounds of good food go to waste every year. It's time we do something about it. Feeding America is a nationwide network of food banks that helps provide meals to millions of kids and families in need. Visit feedingamerica.org to help them feed even more. Together, we can solve hunger. Together, we're feeding America.
The communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill are helping to prepare the next generation of media professionals. You can help us do that by supporting the SUNY Cobleskill College Foundation. Your tax-deductible contributions help students gain real-world, hands-on experience in media content creation and journalism, just like what we're bringing you right now here on SUNY Coby News. Your support helps us learn more about becoming media professionals who can serve you in the communication and agricultural communication programs offered right here at SUNY Cobleskill. Welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Cassie Van.
And I'm Hannah Bonskowski for SUNY Coby Weather. Well, Cassie, did you miss me?
Yeah, I did. Where have you been?
You know, got a little busy with basketball, but I'm so happy to be back, ready to bring everybody the weather.
And the nice weather is
Yeah, hopefully
so
me being back just means some more sunshine.
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah.
Hopefully.
Definitely.
Fingers crossed. So let's take a look at our current conditions. Well, this is not the warm weather Cassie and I were hoping for. It's going to be about 50 degrees. There is a flood warning, so make sure you're staying inside, and if you go outside, you might want to bring some floaties with you, if I'm being honest. Tonight you can expect some more rain. Again, that flood warning, watch out. It's going to be a low of 36. There's a 90% chance of rain. Tomorrow, you can expect a high of 42 and a low of 39. It's going to continue to rain throughout the day tomorrow, and it's going to continue to be kind of that cold weather that Cassie and I don't like. Friday, you can expect a high of 70. It's going to be partly cloudy, and it's clearing later in the day. This is your only good day this week, so if you have anything to do outside, I would plan to do it on Friday. Then looking ahead to Saturday, it's going to be a high of 63. That sun's still kind of in there. It's, it's warmer. You might be able to get away with a pair of shorts, but I'd stick inside. Sunday, you get a high of 52. There's going to be a 70% chance of rain. It's really just raining all of this week. I'm really sorry. I hope you don't have things planned for outside. Now let's take a look at our extended outlook. This is what we're going to have on Monday. High of 43, low of 31. It's going to be mostly cloudy. This week looks a little bit better than the past week. Tuesday, high of 44, low of 25. It's going to be partly cloudy again. Wednesday, sunny. Hey, there's no clouds. I love to see that. Thursday, it's going to be a high of 60, low of 46. Those clouds are coming back. And Friday is about the same, high of 63 and a low of 43.
Thank you so much, Hannah, for that weather update. Missed you so much. We'll be right back with more news after these messages.
You're watching SUNY Coby News live from the video production studio on the campus of SUNY Cobleskill. Stay with us.
When I was in foster care, I never knew when I would have to move. So I always had my suitcase ready to go. Then one day I was adopted. My new parents opened their hearts and home to me. My parents cook my favorite breakfast for me every morning. My parents take me on trips I never thought I would go on. They gave me a home and an even better reason to use that suitcase. My parents aren't perfect, but they're perfect for me.
Hello and welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Cassie Van. Thank you so much for joining us. When you're looking to get involved on campus or in the Cobleskill community, we've got you covered. Let's look at some of the events coming up this week. This Thursday, April 2nd, the Dr. King Career Fair is happening at the Empire State Plaza Convention Center from 11 a.m. to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Also, on Thursday from 1 to 3 p.m., the ASAP ACE Spring Carnival takes place right here on campus in the Unity Center. Put your search skills to the test during the Egg Hunt Thursday night from 6 to 7 in Bauck Hall. And next Tuesday at 12:30, you can try out pickleball at the tennis courts. Bauck Ballroom will be back up, rain location. For more information about events on campus, check out Coby Engage and download the Quark app. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby News. Live from SUNY Cobleskill, I'm Cassie Van, and we will be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News, coming to you from right here in the studio production studio, located on the second floor of the Van Wagenen Library building. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communication programs, along with the new agricultural communication program here at SUNY Cobleskill, visit the www.cobleskill.edu today. Again, I'm Cassie Van for all of here in the SUNY Cobleskill communication programs. Thank you for joining us. We'll be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News.